and welcome back to another 10 Minutes Tips and Tricks webinar from the Curriculum Center for Family and Consumer Sciences. In this session, we'll explore how to use Gamma AI to create an engaging course introduction presentation just by uploading your syllabus. It's a quick way to present your course content in a professional and visually appealing format with very little effort. Whether you're prepping for the first day of class or creating an overview for an online course, this tool can save time and add polish. Let's be honest. Most of us are required to provide a syllabus at the start of the semester or school year. But how many students actually read our syllabus? That's where Gamma comes in. Instead of handing out a static document, you can turn your syllabus into a dynamic, engaging presentation. With just a simple upload, Gamma automatically generates a well-structured slide deck that highlights your course policies, grading, and key expectations. And when it's ready, you can present directly from the Gamma platform or export it to PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PDF, whatever works best for your classroom setup. All right, step one, let's get started. So you're going to go to gamma.app. And you have different sign-up options, so you can use your Google or Gmail, or you can use another email address. Once you're in, you're ready to create. Okay, so step two, we're going to upload our syllabus. So once you've signed up, you have a few different options for generating your content. You can either paste in your text, you can have the AI create text from a prompt that you give it, or you can import a file or a URL link. For today, we're going to do this third option as pointed out on your screen, and we're going to import our file, which will be our syllabus. So in order to do this, you're going to click Create New AI, and you're going to choose that import file and upload your course syllabus. Gamma is going to read through your content and start generating a draft for you. For best results, please make sure that your syllabus has clear sections, things like course description, assignments, grading policies, and even a schedule if possible. This can help Gamma organize it more effectively. Step three, we're going to select presentation. So you'll notice that the PDF file of my syllabus has now been uploaded. So Gamma is going to ask us what kind of format we want. For this purpose, we're going to choose presentation. And then on the next page, you can also select more options like the tone of it. Do you want it to be more informative or engaging, depending on how you want your course content to come across. Step four, you're going to make any notes or edits that are necessary. So after processing, you'll see that Gamma has created a draft of what I uploaded, and that's in the middle of that screenshot. So this is your chance. You can either review it, you can make edits inside that document, you can refine the structure. Like mentioned before, you can also change what kind of tone you want your presentation to be in. So you'll want to do this at this point, rearrange sections, adjust wording, add notes. Think of it as your first draft. So it's already done most of the heavy lifting. All right, step five. We're actually going to pick a theme and we're going to generate our presentation. So once we've refined the content, you'll see that there are several options for themes. Gamma has lots of professional and modern templates to choose from. You don't need to worry about fonts or colors, just choose a look that fits your course or audience. And as easy as that, we have our presentation. So now you can either save, share, or export. So you're ready to share. You can either export your presentation to PowerPoint or PDF, Google Slides, whatever format you want. You can share a live link with students, or you can actually present it directly from Gamma. So this is a great tool for being able to embed something in your LMS or send it out before the first day of class. In addition, you can also adjust the theme at this point if you decided that you wanted something different. Okay, now you can see I'm actually on the Gamma website. We're going to go through a live presentation of this. So you see those different options of uploading a file, importing, pasting. I'm going to upload my PDF syllabus document. Okay, and it's just going to take a few seconds to upload that file. And I'm not splicing this because I want you to see how quickly this is done. And then we're going to choose that presentation and we're going to generate. Here you see that draft of my PDF, and you see the options to change the tone, different things like that. If you have any comments or notes that you want to put, you can do that. Now we're going to generate. We're going to pick what theme we want, and there's a lot of different options you'll see. And no matter what theme you pick, just know that you do have that option to change it after it's already generated. If you decide you don't like it, you can edit and change those themes after it's already generated your content. So then we're going to generate, and you're going to see this in real time, just how quickly it actually generates that presentation for us. So remember, all I did was upload a PDF format of my syllabus, and it's now creating a slide deck that I can use on the first day of class, or I can post it on my LMS, like Google Classroom, Blackboard, Canvas. But it's doing this all for me, and it's making it in an engaging way so that our students can read through it and see the main points in a better format than just handing them a stapled stack of papers that talks about all of our policies. So you can see just how quickly this is doing this. And again, all I did was I uploaded that PDF file of my syllabus, and it's automatically creating these things for me. Do remember that if you have specific headings and different sections, that does help it to organize your content into slides a lot more easily. But there you have it. That is that complete presentation, and that was created by uploading a file and then pushing generate after I chose a theme. And now I have this attractive slide deck that I can share with students. So you can go ahead and present it from the platform, and this is showing that view of that. Or you can export. You can share and then click on export, and you'll have different options for PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides. I'm going to choose PowerPoint, and then it will actually save it in a PowerPoint format. And you can still edit it in the Gamma app, or you can edit your content in PowerPoint once you have uploaded it. Again, just as you saw on that live demonstration, here is the final result. It's a clean, well-structured presentation that mirrors your syllabus in a way that's much easier for students to absorb. Gamma makes it easy to turn text-heavy content into something students will actually pay attention to. So overall, to recap, Gamma AI is a fast and simple tool to help you transform your syllabus or anything else that you have into something visually engaging. It helps you save time, stay organized, and make a strong first impression with your students. I would highly encourage you to give it a try with one of your syllabi. You'll be surprised how good the results are with just a few clicks. Happy presenting!